STEMKit Conceptual Maths Grade 4. Chapter 4 Fractions. 4.9 Addition of like fractions.
To add like fraction, add the numerators, keeping the denominators the same. Let us take a question. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Remember, fractions are, like fractions, only when the denominators of fractions are the same. Add the numerators keeping the denominator the same. We get 2 by 8. Let us understand the same question visually. Look at the bar with 8 sections. 1 by 8 means one portion out of 8 is shaded. Again, 1 by 8 means one more portion out of 8 is shaded. Now, the total shaded portion is 2 out of 8. And that is the answer for the sum. 2 by 8. Let us take another question. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Again, to add, we add the numerators, keeping the denominator the same. We get 6 by 9. Let us understand it visually. Look at the shape with 9 sections. 4 by 9 means 4 out of 9 sections are shaded. 2 by 9 means 2 out of 9 sections are shaded. Now, the total shaded is the answer. 6 out of 9 sections are shaded, or 6 by 9 is shaded, and this is the answer.